If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: a branch is Option 1, an unconditional transfer of control from any statement to any other statement in the component except the next statement. Option 2, a conditional transfer of control from any statement to any other statement in a component. Option 3, when a component has more than one entry point, a transfer of control to any entry point of the component. Option 4, all of the above. Option 5, none of the above. Question: a metric is Option 1, a mathematical number that shows a relationship between two variables. Option 2, metrics is a quantitative measure of the degree to which a system/component or process possesses a given attribute. Option 3, both A and C. Option 4, none of the above. Option 5, none. Question: data collected during testing should include Option 1, test factors. Option 2, functions/subroutines. Option 3, platforms. Option 4, all of the above. Option 5, none of the above. Question: which of the following does not represent ways to define and measure test coverage? Option 1, statement coverage. Option 2, point-to-point coverage. Option 3, branch coverage. Option 4, basic path coverage. Option 5, none. Question: for building a test plan, following tasks are required. Choose the correct sequence. Option 1, understand project risks, form test team, and build test plan. Option 2, build test plan, form test team, and understand project risks. Option 3, form test team, understand project risks, build test plan. Option 4, none of the above represents the tasks involved in building test plan. Option 5, none. Question: choose the correct one from those given below. Option 1, compliance testing, business rules. Option 2, black box testing, path coverage. Option 3, regression testing, end users. Option 4, file integrity, control totals. Option 5, none of the above. Question: the best place to log incidents is which of the following? Option 1, test script. Option 2, test log. Option 3, user report. Option 4, defect tracking system. Option 5, none. Question: to know with adequate confidence, when is testing over, which of the following is the best approach? Option 1, declare that it is over when time is out. Option 2, use test appropriate metrics. Option 3, declare that it is over when the budget is consumed. Option 4, let the management decide that. Option 5, none. Question: which of the following is not a component of software fit for acceptance? Option 1 data. Option 2 structure and people. Option 3 rules. Option 4 models. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following statements is not correct? Option 1 structural testing evaluates all aspects of the structure to verify that the structure is sound. Option 2 functional testing technique help ensure that the requirements/specifications are properly satisfied by the software system. Option 3 functional testing is not concerned with how processing occurs, but with the results of the process. Option 4 functional testing techniques help to establish the roles and responsibilities of users during acceptance testing. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following is not one of the techniques to find defects? Option 1 operational techniques. Option 2 dynamics techniques. Option 3 functional techniques. Option 4 static techniques. Option 5 none. Question: the concept of defensive code involves. Option 1 adding a syntax checker in the middle of code. Option 2 adding throw and catch. Option 3 adding code to a program so that two parts of the program must fail before a major problem can occur. Option 4 none of the above. Option 5 none. Question: quality assurance methods are usually considered. Option 1 detective. Option 2 preventive. Option 3 corrective. Option 4 protective. Option 5 none. Question: who has the primary responsibility of setting the quality culture in the organization? Option 1 the training department. Option 2 the quality department. Option 3 senior management. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question: in statistics, the mean and median are called. Option 1 SBC. Option 2 variance. Option 3 standard deviation. Option 4 control chart values. Option 5 the measure of central tendency. Question: quality principle dictates that the strategic quality plan should. Option 1 be incorporated by the quality assurance function. Option 2 be written for quality assurance function. Option 3 identify individual quality programs. Option 4 define the size of the quality assurance department. Option 5 none. Question: Pareto analysis will tell us. Option 1 which problems occur most often. Option 2 why problems occur. Option 3 the relative walkthrough and inspections. Option 4 all of the above. Option 5 none. Question: total quality management is a common term applied to a quality management system. Total quality management is. Option 1 a process to produce zero defects. Option 2 a defect identification strategy. Option 3 another way of expressing statistical process control. Option 4 a strategy built around control charts. Option 5 a management philosophy. Question: quality function deployment. Option 1 helps an organization to decide the quality function is deployed. Option 2 is the testing of the previously verified program of application. Option 3 is another approach to implementing the balanced scorecard method. Option 4 is a systematic method to translate customer wants or needs into product or service. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following are categories of acceptance requirements from the user's point of view? Option 1 overall software quality requirements. Option 2 functionality requirements. Option 3 performance requirements. Option 4 interface quality requirements. Option 5 all the above. Question: risk is defined as Option 1 frequency * occurrence. Option 2 occurrence * risk factor. Option 3 risk factor * risk response number. Option 4 probability * influence. Option 5 none. Question: key elements of a defect management process are Option 1 defect prevention. Option 2 defect discovery / defect naming. Option 3 defect resolution. Option 4 all of the above. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following does not represent the general defect management philosophy? Option 1 all of the below are the general principles. Option 2 the primary goal is to prevent defects. Option 3 defect management process should be risk-driven. Option 4 capture and analysis of the defect information should be automated. Option 5 defect information should be used for process improvement. Question: requirement is a formal statement of Option 1 an attribute to be possessed by the product / function to be performed by the product. Option 2 the performance standard for the attribute or a function. Option 3 the measuring process to be used in verifying that the standard has been met. Option 4 all the above. Option 5 none. Question: dynamic assertion is Option 1 all the below. Option 2 a way of empowering people in the organization. Option 3 the analysis was performed by executing the program code. Option 4 a powerful way of expressing yourself to make your presence felt. Option 5 none. Question: condition coverage is Option 1 a black box testing technique. Option 2 the property of logical coherence among constituent modules of a system. Option 3 money spent on quality activity to cover the entire testing budget. Option 4 the number of decision statements covered in cyclomatic complexity analysis. Option 5 none of the above. Question: a test log. Option 1 is a worksheet / spreadsheet to record test activities. Option 2 helps to record incidents in the defect tracking system. Option 3 is responsible for conducting the test readiness review. Option 4 should contain the procedure environment and tools for test execution. Option 5 only, A, and, B, above. Question: which of the following is the correct sequence to test execution? Option 1 set up the test environment, identify test cases and test cycles, review test results, assign test scripts. Option 2 identify test cases and test cycles, assign test scripts, set up the test environment, review test results. Option 3 set up the test environment, identify test cases and test cycles, assign test scripts, review test results. Option 4 is any of the above a right sequence. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following does not represent major concerns in the mind of testers during the test execution step? Option 1: software not in a testable mode. Option 2: inadequate time/resources. Option 3: the significant problem will not be unrecovered during testing. Option 4: the developer will not appreciate testing. Option 5: none of the above. Question: which of the following is/are factors used by test manager to determine whether the application is ready for production? Option 1: MTBF. Option 2: failure or percent coverage achieved by the executed test. Option 3: severity level-wise number of open defects. Option 4: the risk associated with moving the application into production. Option 5: all of the above. Question: during the recording of test results, deviations must be documented. Which of the following attributes should be documented? Option 1: all of the following. Option 2: activities involved. Option 3: use customers served. Option 4: deficiencies noted. Option 5: a procedure used to perform work. Question: the cause is the underlying reason for the condition. The determination of the cause requires a scientific approach. Which of the following represents the correct sequences? 1. Define the problem. 2. Identify workflow. 3. Identify procedures. 4. Identify people involved. 5. Recreate the circumstances. Option 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Option 2. 5, 1, 3, 2, 4. Option 3. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. Option 4. 3, 5, 2, 4, 1. Option 5. None. Question: what technique is most effective in encouraging the participation of attendees at meetings? Option 1: having the moderator play the devil's advocate. Option 2: tell people that participation will be one of the appraisal factors. Option 3: role-playing and requesting suggestions. Option 4: requiring participation. Option 5: none. Question: risk management involves identifying risk and underscore 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 underscore. Option 1: eliminating risks. Option 2: avoiding risks. Option 3: risk analysis. Option 4: developing strategies to address risk. Option 5: none. Question: how could root cause analysis to be applied to software? Option 1: it can help identify error-prone parts of the process. Option 2: it cannot be applied, there is no normal variation in software. Option 3: it cannot be used to identify similar types of failures. Option 4: it cannot be applied, software failure exposes the root cause directly. Option 5: none. Question: one of the primary objectives of process control is to Option 1: increase competition. Option 2: improve metrics. Option 3: find root causes. Option 4: reduce variability. Option 5: none. Question: quality has been defined as Option 1 meeting requirements. Option 2 customer satisfaction. Option 3 zero defects. Option 4 all of the above. Option 5, A and B. Question: 3 parts of the PDCA cycles are act, plan, and do. The fourth part of the PDCA cycle is Option 1 calibrate. Option 2 control. Option 3 coordinate. Option 4 create. Option 5 check. Question: the primary purpose of quality control is to Option 1 prevent defects from occurring. Option 2 assign quality responsibilities. Option 3 conducting testing. Option 4 find and correct defects. Option 5 writing work processes. Question: the overall goal of software testing is to Option 1 identify error not removed previously. Option 2 find who caused the error. Option 3 keep rework costs as low as possible. Option 4 none of the above. Option 5 none. Question: with the acquisition of a testing tool, the test engineer's first priority is to Option 1 decide how much to pay. Option 2 check with the end user first. Option 3 identify the goal for the tool usage. Option 4 make sure your management agrees to use the tool. Option 5 none. Question: the objectives of control are to prevent, detect, or correct or incorrect processing. Option 1 transaction processing system. Option 2 external. Option 3 internal. Option 4 environmental. Option 5 none. Question: testing to determine that current changes have not adversely affected previous functionality is called Option 1 regression testing. Option 2 system testing. Option 3 unit testing. Option 4 acceptance testing. Option 5 integration testing. Question: white box testing is primarily Option 1 data-driven. Option 2 logic-driven. Option 3 bottom-up driven. Option 4 top-down driven. Option 5 defect-driven. Question: the most effective test approach is to begin testing when Option 1 after requirements. Option 2 after external design. Option 3 after internal design. Option 4 after coding. Option 5 a new project begins. Question: verification is an approach to testing that can occur during Option 1 requirements. Option 2 external design. Option 3 internal design. Option 4 coding. Option 5 all of the above. Question: quality is often referred to as being free. This is because Option 1 the payback is greater than its cost over time. Option 2, it's difficult to quantify consumer satisfaction. Option 3, there is a never-ending goal to be achieved. Option 4, of continuous improvement. Option 5, none. Question: the characteristic of an effective meeting for testing related issues include: Option 1, develop an agenda. Option 2, define the role of the people attending the meeting. Option 3, encourages attendees to contribute fully. Option 4, clearly define the test objective. Option 5, all the above. Question: which of the following is not part of a process workbench? Option 1, input. Option 2, do procedure. Option 3, check procedure. Option 4, defect management. Option 5, output. Question: quality function deployment is most associated with: Option 1, total quality management. Option 2, problem analysis. Option 3, regression testing. Option 4, tracing requirements. Option 5, continuous process improvement. Question: premature release is defined as releasing the software into production under which of the following conditions except: Option 1, the test report is not prepared. Option 2, the test plan has not been completed. Option 3, the requirements were implemented incorrectly. Option 4, the test plan has not been completed. Option 5, none. Question: bottoms-up integration testing has as its major advantages so that: Option 1, major decision points are tested early. Option 2, no drivers need to be written. Option 3, no stubs need to be written. Option 4, regression testing is not required. Option 5, none. Question: underscore 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 provide direction. Underscore 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 are the rules or measures by which the implemented policies are measured, and underscore 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 are the means used to meet or comply with the standards. Option 1, standards, policies, procedures. Option 2, policies, standards, procedures. Option 3, standards, procedures, policies. Option 4, policies, procedures, standards. Option 5, procedures, policies, and standards. Question: cost of non-confirmation includes: Option 1, training, survey, etc. Option 2, survey, studies. Option 3, training, survey, etc., studies, and survey. Option 4, rework. Option 5, none. Question: when should you stop testing? Option 1, when the quality goals established at the beginning of the projects are met. Option 2, when you run out of time. Option 3, none of the listed options. Option 4, when all the test cases are done. Option 5 none. Question, some of the primary testing risks include accept. Option 1 not enough training, lack of test competency. Option 2 lack of customer and user involvement. Option 3 lack of management support. Option 4 lack of test tools. Option 5 none. Question, given the following costs, user documentation is $1,000, rework is $1,500, design is $400, review of user documents is $800, code review $1,200, and the cost of quality is Option 1 $2,400, Option 2 $5,000, Option 3 $3,500, Option 4 $4,000, Option 5 none. Question, testing that may involve intentionally causing the system to fail so that recovery procedures can be tested is called Option 1 stress testing, Option 2 recovery testing, Option 3 disaster testing, Option 4 security testing, Option 5 none. Question, post-mortem's review is a process review, T/F. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Option 3 none. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question, a change has been done to the design of an application, which of the following is required after this change is implemented? Option 1 unit retesting. Option 2 subsystem retesting. Option 3 none of the listed options. Option 4 design re-verification. Option 5 all the listed options. Question, underscore 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 are important elements of test objectives. Option 1 feasible and simple. Option 2 affordable and flexible. Option 3 reasonable and understandable. Option 4 reasonable and adequate. Option 5 none. Question, unit testing is conducted in the development environment, T/F. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Option 3 none. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question, test planning should begin. Option 1 before requirement collection. Option 2 at the time of the requirement definition. Option 3 after requirement collection. Option 4 after design. Option 5 none. Question, summary project status report includes information like Option 1 resource, status, budget. Option 2 time, status, budget. Option 3 resource, budget, time. Option 4 time, resources, budget. Option 5 none. Question, following are the examples of satisfaction metrics except Option 1 ease of use. Option 2 acceptance criteria met. Option 3 customer subject assessment. Option 4 customer satisfaction. Option 5 none. Question: a white box testing technique that measures the number or percentage of decision outcomes covered by the test cases designed is called. Option 1 consistent condition set. Option 2 basis path coverage. Option 3 modified decision coverage. Option 4 decision coverage. Option 5 none. Question: the functional testing that verifies the procedures to balance file function property is called. Option 1 compatibility testing. Option 2 file integrity. Option 3 compliance testing. Option 4 integration testing. Option 5 none. Question: activities associated with risk management are. Option 1 risk reduction methods. Option 2 risk analysis. Option 3 risk mitigation. Option 4 risk estimation. Option 5 none. Question: one of the most commonly identified weaknesses in software testing is. Option 1 lack of time. Option 2 lack of skilled resources. Option 3 lack of metrics. Option 4 lack of defects count. Option 5 none. Question: to develop a software test matrix follow these steps except. Option 1 definite test plan. Option 2 prepare the software test matrix. Option 3 define test as required. Option 4 define verification tests. Option 5 none. Question: test coverage can be measured by except underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 traceability. Option 2 global data coverage. Option 3 all of the listed options. Option 4 user specified data coverage. Option 5 statement coverage. Question: when one application feeds data to second application, the latter application is called as underscore 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 application. Option 1 regression. Option 2 stage containment. Option 3 downstream. Option 4 message processing. Option 5 none. Question: the test tool that is used to test manual procedures in order to verify whether authorization procedures are followed is. Option 1 symbolic execution. Option 2 cause-effect graphing. Option 3 inspections. Option 4 Pareto analysis. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following testing demonstrates key functional capabilities by testing a string of units that accomplish a specific function in the application? Option 1 thread testing. Option 2 unit testing. Option 3 integration testing. Option 4 black box testing. Option 5 none. Question: due to a change in design, the requirement for an already coded critical software component got modified entirely. The developer had to modify the code based on the new requirement. The testing team is to choose the appropriate type of regression test to minimize the impact to the project schedule. Which type of regression test would you choose? Option 1 full regression test. Option 2 unit regression test. Option 3 regional regression test. Option 4 system testing. Option 5 none. Question: cost of confirmation includes Option 1 training survey etc. Option 2 survey. Option 3 studies. Option 4 training survey etc. Option 5 rework. Question: the test schedule section includes which of the following except Option 1 sequence of tests. Option 2 major test activities. Option 3 the types of tests that must be conducted. Option 4 initial estimates for each activity. Option 5 none. Question: high priority in any defect management program should be Option 1 to improve the process. Option 2 all the listed options. Option 3 to prevent defects. Option 4 to identify the best prevents on techniques and implement them. Option 5 none. Question: testers insert additional code into a program to collect information about program behavior during program execution. This is called as underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 instrumentation. Option 2 dynamic assertion. Option 3 inspection. Option 4 integration testing. Option 5 none. Question: the inability of a system or components to perform its required functions when specified requirement is called Option 1 bug. Option 2 error. Option 3 failure. Option 4 defect. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following statement about different risk types is correct? Option 1 it is not difficult to create test scenarios for high-level risks. Option 2 strategic risks are the high-level business risk faced by the software system. Option 3 tactical risks are subsets at a higher level of the strategic risks. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question: which among the following is not a way to define and measure test coverage? Option 1 user specified data coverage. Option 2 global data coverage. Option 3 stable/control coverage. Option 4 modified decision coverage. Option 5 none. Question: which among the following is the correct sequence to test execution? Option 1 identify test cases and test cycles, assign test scripts, set up a test environment, review test cases. Option 2 set up a test environment, identify test cases and test cycles, assign test scripts, review test results. Option 3 set up a test environment, identify test cases, review test results, and assign test scripts. Option 4 all the listed options. Option 5 none. Question: following are examples of intentional acts except Option 1 false messages may be inserted into the system. Option 2 the communication protocol may fail to positively identify the transmitter or receiver of a message. Option 3 messages may be recorded and replayed in the system. Option 4 if encryption, I.E. use of codes, is used may be stolen. Option 5 none. Question, which among the following is a suggested prioritization method to follow? Option 1 critical, major, low. Option 2 major, minor, high. Option 3 critical, major, minor, high. Option 4 critical, low, high. Option 5 critical, major, minor. Question, without preparation of a test plan, at an earlier testing phase, tests may be underscore. Option 1 economical. Option 2 uneconomical and ineffective. Option 3 none of the listed options. Option 4 effective. Option 5 none. Question, following are the valid defect types except Option 1 missing. Option 2 wrong. Option 3 extra. Option 4 change request. Option 5 none. Question, the test technique to enter erroneous data to determine it cannot affect the integrity of the files is called Option 1 security. Option 2 functional. Option 3 error handling. Option 4 file integrity. Option 5 none. Question, creating representative processing conditions using test transactions is the concept of Option 1 test plan preparation. Option 2 test data preparation. Option 3 all the listed options. Option 4 requirements traceability matrix. Option 5 none. Question, is used to record data as it is gathered. Option 1 certification. Option 2 check sheet. Option 3 checkpoint. Option 4 all the listed options. Option 5 none. Question, test objectives Option 1 enable the tester and project manager to gauge testing progress and success. Option 2 guide the development of test cases, procedures, and test data. Option 3 enhance communication both within and outside of the project team by helping to define the scope of the testing effort. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question, one of the most effective methods for estimating the expected impact of risk is Option 1 Pareto analysis. Option 2 none of the listed options. Option 3 annual loss expectation formula. Option 4 risk analysis. Option 5 none. Question: a static analysis technique that derives a symbolic expression for each program path is called underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 structural testing. Option 2 statistical process control. Option 3 none of the listed options. Option 4 symbolic execution. Option 5 none. Question: underscore 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 in a test phase verifies the application being tested could correctly communicate with interrelated application system. Option 1 coupling. Option 2 functional testing. Option 3 unit testing. Option 4 regression testing. Option 5 none. Question: which of the following statement is not correct? Option 1 90% of all defects are caused by process problems. Option 2 reviews are generally greater than 65% efficient in finding defects. Option 3 60% of software defects originate in the requirements phase of the project over. Option 4 50% of the life cycle of the software system is spent on requirements. Option 5 none. Question: priority for defects should be given to on that cause data corruption, system crash, and security violations, T/F. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Option 3 none. Option 4 none. Option 5 none. Question: which among the following is a set of predefined action items used by a test for a process to be complete and acceptable? Option 1 formal analysis. Option 2 exit criteria. Option 3 force field analysis. Option 4 error guessing. Option 5 none. Question: when we talk about analysis performed by executing the program code, we are talking about underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 force field analysis. Option 2 dynamic analysis. Option 3 formal analysis. Option 4 none of the listed options. Option 5 none. Question: following are the key concepts of the process engineering program except. Option 1 absolute compliance with standards and procedures is required, process engineering. Option 2 the process is driven by testing projects, not process engineering. Option 3 the program is driven by management policies, process engineering. Option 4 management provides an organizational structure for the workers to develop their own standards and procedures. Process engineering. Option 5 none. Question: how do you track requirements in a test case? Option 1 requirement documents. Option 2 traceability matrix. Option 3 test plan. Option 4 none of the above. Option 5 none.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.